Well, hello and welcome. I suppose this is an unboxing. Have I done one before? It's a long time since I did one. But anyway, today is going to be Olympus unboxing camera day. I'm going to attempt to get in. It's just turned up this morning. It was supposed to be here yesterday, and Parcel Force 48 isn't really Parcel Force 48. It's Parcel Force. We will get it there when we feel like. But the guy was polite. So that's all that matters. This bit through. Aha! Right. Finally. It's full of plastic puffs. Oh, and they're all individually wrapped as well. So I'll have a look at each of them individually. We have here the packaging. I have no idea if any of these work, but there's a shoot and go. They're alright on eBay. It's alright on eBay. I think that is a bucket load of them in here. Super zoom. Needs clean. Battery compartment. Nice and clean. So that's two of them. Oh, I can see what this one is. It's a little bit like Christmas. On Olympus AF10. AF10. Oh, guessing the back comes off. Yep, looks alright. Battery fine in there. Get rid of all that. We're in the process of moving house as well, so everything's all over the place. I'll be getting wrong, making the place a bit tidy. But never mind. First is the Muse. This one is a 115, which looks really nice. Test it. There you go. Part of the reason I bought it because there was a load of Muse in it, and there's a 115mm. You got 15-20 quid on eBay. I will zip all this. It's not really quite much in the bubble wrap to bits. So it might be, I don't know. Super zoom. I'll need horrible Maggie corrosion in there, so that's probably a dud. As long as the Muse are alright, I'll be happy. That's what I bought them for. There we go. A Mu 3 80mm. These are all the other ones that has a battery in it, but appears to be dead, so we should take it out. Buying some of them today to test them. We have a Mu 280 zoom, which are quite collectible and quite sought after on eBay. Battery compartment, nice and clean, nice condition. So I've got 3 Mus there. That's good. It's like a lucky dip when you go in. I think that's another, no, something else. New Zoom 105. It's nice condition. Let's check the battery compartment. These are usually pretty clean. Yep, that's alright, isn't it? So there's four Mus. Olympus Super Zoom. There you go. Battery compartments. Nice and clean. Just need testing. Empty that this way in the box. Maybe leave here. Mu Zoom. These are brilliant cameras, really good quality images out of them. And I would imagine open with coin. I haven't got a coin in my pocket, well, why would I carry cash? So we'll assume it's alright. There you go, that's Mu number 4, or is that number 5? Mu, 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 Mu. That's 5. I think there's an original one in here as well. I think this camera is pretty reliable. An i100 AF, an ASP camera, autofocus, they're pretty cool. Battery compartment. I've used one of these. I've got one of these. Use it up in Wales and various other places where I travel about. It's a good, nice lightweight camera, and obviously the film still gets developed quite easily. This is another Mu 1. It's good. I bought my wife one of these years and years and years ago, and it's still alive and kicking. And battery compartment we've got. So that's another one. So that's 6 Mus in the box. Just more than I thought, so that's better still. Oh, God's sake, never ending, isn't it? I'll be dipping a lot of these bits in between. Olympus AF full automatic, a trip, I'll say it that way around, AFMD. There's not a lot of value in these. I might put it in the cabinet in Wales or sell stuff. Yeah, back's nice and clean. Compartments nice and clean. I think if you get the compartments clean, that's the main thing. And usually isn't a problem with stuff. Certainly I've got there so far. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then these ones are dud. Yep, and there's a Canon. It's not an Olympus, it's a Canon at 105 sure shot. These are fantastic. Quality on these is really good. Battery compartment's nice and clean. I've had 2 or 3 of these. The zoom's amazing, 105mm. Yeah, that's another one. That's another. One nearly at the bottom. This is it. Last 2. It's another AF10 Super. I'm an AF10 Super because the other one's just a bog standard A10. Compartments are clean. AA batteries. Cheap holiday camera. Or a camera we can take that you don't want to take. Something expensive. And this is the last one. I'm really chuffed with 6 Mews in the box. I thought there was only going to be 5. And this will be another shoot and go to end the day. Not same as before. Battery compartments are clean. Figure out which way I'm pointing the camera at the lens. And this one doesn't even look like it's being used. A lot of them don't look like they're being used much. Right, so there we have it. A bundle of cameras and a lot of cheesy puffs. So let's get these listed and cleaned up a little bit. Most of them don't need much to, but give them all a test, see how they work. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.